Hi everybody, welcome back to the vlog. This is Mami Joan Abante again. And for those who are new here, my name is Mami Joan Abante. And our channel is about the quarantine coping tips during the pandemic, sustainable lifestyle tips to support the advocacy of our son Ethan Abante called Goat Me, cultural intelligence for a better tomorrow, that is our daughter's advocacy. Her name is Eliana, so that's why we love to visit museums, UNESCO heritage sites. So if you're interested, so we also have that. And we are a homeschooling family. And we do also a little of haul, something like that. Okay. And I also share some corporate topics with our subscribers here. Okay. So this is just in relation to one of our lessons in one of our discussions. We discuss about different entrepreneurial ventures. That's how I call it, okay? So in school, we are really taught fundamentals, and then real life is about the technical side of it, meaning it's already the application. So in school, we are taught about some concepts, and it's up to us, like, among all these concepts, what concepts or ideas we want to implement in real life. So one of the lessons is about, again, ideas of business ventures. Like others are into, like, we studied about different furnitures, we studied about how to raise, like, for example, kanang, what do you call it, chicken, and then you can make it into a business, for example. And then we also discuss about retail and stuff like that, because that's one of our discussions, that's one of our topics. So the kids and I, we went to some shop, some store, department store, kasi we discuss about the difference between a retail and different businesses ba. So na may retail, na ay mga like drugstore, like warehouses, something like that. So that's why I explained to them that there are some department stores that then they sell a lot of items there. So we also, like, there are also like shops wherein it's very concentrated. For example, it's like all clothing line. So they also have that. And other businesses, like, for example, they carry some brands, like, for example, Brands for Less. So this is not a sponsored vlog. So we visited that Brands for Less, and we got items there also. So that is like showing, relating children, the kids in my class, the lessons, the fundamentals, and what you see in reality as well. So from the shop, we got some items. Okay, one is, of course, that's like, parang you're going to a field trip. Now, you're not just going there simply to shop, but also showing the kids that, hey, these are the items, these are the brands that they are carrying. That's why their name is like that. Okay, again, this is not sponsored, ha? So we got Ian. So daddy bought items for them. We got her this Calvin Klein, this kind of black top, and we want to try her this, suggest to her that she should try wearing black, because Kuya, last time when we purchased a black t-shirt for him, I was so surprised that black looks good on him. So I suggest to Ayan, if she likes, so she can continue wearing it. If she doesn't, so it's okay. And I got her this very nice top, a flower siya, in this nice print, and then you wear it with jeans. Okay, denim, ang good denim these days. So they have, like, it's a nice match also with her denim pants. Okay, and then I got her another top from t-shirt from Calvin Klein. Okay. And then daddy purchased a pajama set for Kuya. It's a dinosaur. Okay. Kuya loves dinosaur right now, so we got this for him. And then lastly, I got myself this bag. Okay, this is again from the store Brands for Less, and this is this brand. So brand. Anyway, okay. Kabaon sa ni brand. I don't know if this is the brand ba siya, or di ko sure kung mao ni siya ang brand. But anyway, it's like, let's talk about this bag. So what I like about this bag is the design itself and the color. Why? This is like the kind of color that can transition from lunch to dinner. Why? I have a similar bag, and I remember it wasn't really in this color. It was brown, but of the same parang style. Then I use it for my lunch meetings outside the office. Okay, that's why I suggest that, you know, if you're working, you also have this kind of bag you can use in lunch meeting. If you want to meet like training providers outside and they invite you for a lunch for the discussion, like, or you meet up with other practitioners outside, it's a nice bag also to carry. You can put here like your cell phone, ball pen, your credit card, or your small wallet, and then your ID, for example. Okay, and I like the compartment here. Okay, nice zipper. I like bags with zipper actually. Mas ganahan ko, that's my preference. So here this is the compartment here, kind of nice zipper here, and then you can put the cell phone here, your ball pen, a notepad, and then there's another one here. Okay, like this. So like a simple ang design, but very for me, very classy as well. So this is also the kind of bag, for example, you can bring like, after your meeting, and then you transition to attending a dinner event. So okay na ni siya. Okay, please do not bring like, example like this, a big bag like this and a dinner, as much as possible. That's one of the lessons learned for me. That's better to leave your big bags in the office and just carry a bag like this during your evening event. Okay, and lastly, I would like to share my current favorite. This is Chasing Fireflies by Bath and Body Works. Umot kayo siya. Summer man here. Diba? Okay. Alright, so this is thank you to one of our subscribers here who like reminds me to where's your vlog about this and that, diba? It's that one fan or two fans that we have that will keep us going into this kind of you know, venture for me to share my knowledge, and at the same time sort of a summary, recall, and etc. for my kids as well, that hopefully they can apply it in real life. Again, I'm not imposing, it's up to them, because we don't want to impose certain things, because you know the knowledge that we have right now, maybe 2 years or 10 years later dili na siya mo work. So it's up to them to have that critical thinking to check if, you know, if it's going to work or not. Again, thank you for your time, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.